Hello. Astronomy picture of the day, December 5, 2020. Today's video is about Mons Rumker in the Ocean of Storms. Mons Rumker, a 70-kilometer wide complex of volcanic domes, rises some 1,100 meters above the vast, smooth lunar mare known as Oceanus Procellarum, the Ocean of Storms. Daylight came to the area late last month. The lunar terminator, the shadow line between night and day, runs diagonally across the left side in this telescopic close-up of a waxing gibbous moon from November 27. China's Change 5 mission landing site is also in the frame. The probe's lander-ascender combination touched down on the lunar surface within a region right of center and north of Mons Rumker's domes on December 1. On December 3 the ascender left the Ocean of Storms carrying 2 kilograms of lunar material for return to planet Earth. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.